بيعمل كنور online TV channel تكون كلام جديد من بايلات تم Information Minister Michael McQuail وسري وش كجوبا رجع شلات قاسم جنت الديش يوغندا مشا ديبلوير وش كجوبا dugno bana jaling bukon tinkona inshallah bana kaling jen rai pai kan la ta bana kulotin okay goren je no biya headline biya jaling komandan le road en tam re wich ka juba kan madan le road bare wi ka Uganda bana jaling kel quantity bukon kaling an gwasa me mi jira me jedit kanor online TV channel goren je no gender lara me dere je nywa ne ko ken nagaje en wo ba gender subscribe kanor online TV channel ko dere lara me de lara kan kula bekaje ko no kone gwano de kontin kon to kon tamere which ka Sudan de kon kaling please subscribe turn notification bell ko gorono jin via support ke bi ka la ke bi comment mu gor jeno bi comment ala ler bu kon ka ladde ka tin kono la malabe na jeno ba me pay to ba jeno yak mana lerode en ler men tamate ke min ni jendang rawid bakal karodien ler men chalat Michael McQuail we se jen gor mon wo banyo ka yekel re ler kaname gwaye wana ko mana lerode rawuti bu kon ko compare man chalat kum Sudan kan man chalat ka bbc.com dobran chicken lat ando chadech chaja nang re wich kajuba antama Ramadan lalleri Michael McQuail wet ajene tele dech mishanang re wich kajuba enyok chaja la dagat yiwer ku ga musebeni wuda dan la kwadi ni ka Uganda chaja la ru ko konin dangro chade ni Uganda chaga nang re wich kajuba ko bi ke kirma yadi bi kanogang right now bana gwada na ta kaitin bana janga kangani tike kai gwasame gat Uganda gat Museveni ajan gor mo Twitter anyok BBC ngai kan to kon lat korodian mete ring mulero la kana ngach okay bana tin kon lat korodian mini ka compare gwasame na me Sudan Michael McQuail de jala na me baje kwenye yo ko to English ka dobran cha gor ka je la Michael McQuail men cha gor okay Agenda South Sudan government say no Uganda force in Juba. Okay, name Araidian Laraken. Okay, South Sudan government say no Uganda force in Juba. South Sudan government ke kum South Sudan agene tele Uganda de Uganda metere which ke Juba ke jan gwaseme. The BBC bi nyoko lar gwaseme ne Uganda deployed troops to South Sudan to secure capital. Military ship of Uganda chejalar. Uganda wachi ke dejen chikan nangrai which ke Juba ko biken kirm yadit biken ogang ki bike Juba ogang ko ke jen wo bete ka korum butuok ko korum e butuok kam dur dangro kata dana len ngwaro rien keja Michael McQuail the jen no na me shi tuok Michael McQuail wet jen logo ba tuok ba jalat okay logo ba tuok ba jalat go karwani ti kadi shalat wude shwalka me moozi okay moozi jan ladamo baje nyaka yekel gwaso me cause biaje kulling manan le rode ko ni chikon bula ne shawon so we have to ban a real reason mandana tuongno moje keje key fact okay bana kenen ke chikon bula ne jabang okay titi ke Uganda okay these are Uganda we can titine Uganda ke jen kaka okay na me Uganda these are Uganda anyok wana kama cha gor fonde maozi gat rutu me gat Museveni fonde men cha gor okay Twitter bana jeling na me nen yena mo gwasa me okay biya jeling Manchagor UPDF commandos arriving in Juba to support South Sudan People Defense Force SSPDF in the current crisis. Operation Milinzi Wakimia has begun. God bless UPDF. How come? Michael McQuail was denied. Lala jeno shi to ka jene gwase me chejene. This is garame jen gormo. This guy chal music. Jen gormo kay jen kuturu me kole alo keneshi ku Juba okay UPDF Uganda People Defense Force by the way chiga chup rewich ka Juba ka kume kume woje me kume South Sudan jene chi talk kene chi talk na me. So let me read it me dan chikana gorgwas me beje kwenye ga talk English cause ban me dan le rodo bana yangach chikana be nak ban ko te right now if they are denying this we mean that nakan South Sudanese nere kon len katin kon talk jindi de do de we de jono come la Ramadan la kwedi ni mo ka Uganda anyok chi atunri shaganen. These are the photo. Okay, chana jeling man chagor information minister Michael Makweli was kamana chalat man chalani de kontila jimediana. Government spokesperson Michael Makweli say there are no Uganda forces in Juba and no tension in the South Sudan capital after the Uganda army chief claimed a special force has been deployed to provide security. Ajane name she talk ajane name she talk name akach Moozi manchala ajane she talk. Moozi, who has a history of controversial social media post, said on his Twitter account on Tuesday that UPDF special force had entered Juba 2 days before then. He further posted a video showing troops disembarking from an airplane. Dio share video video dana be deni Uganda bekarathen okay. In another post, the son of President Yoweri Museveni state, "We shall protect the entire territory of South Sudan like it was our own." That is the will of the commander in chief. Again, dana chalar gwasame. Okay, and guru chalu Moozi mane. Right now, ngai kona tama ji Uganda tigre kor tama. I mean, civilian ken deni ken rewiki Uganda right now ka gwasame. Te gane di kencho ken to la supporter wudu mishale Bobby Wine chicken ketul right now ka jan changdara me. Need let can take a young let campaign ko garma game can Museveni lo de la kwerka ka Uganda. But these people are busy to can chuk na netin kontila ji Uganda. And would shall ke Moozi me. Yena len la ni auto jen be wani benak. Right now, anyo US ke ko jen charging ye marine like need shall ngat tin shall de kon cholo kanang na neken, okay? Nagna. So pick and go chaga pay chaga you they can do what the hell they want to do. So this is what is going to happen. South Sudan will be kind of use chigame chaga use 2013 kirma yadi, including this guy chicken use kandial. Okay. Guadame, the military chief added that his army are only recognize President Salva Kiir. This is Moise saying that. The military chief added that his army only recognize President Salva Kiir and any move against him is a declaration of war against Uganda. Ramu Kiir mayadi we not. Janesia war cha declare kane lo buteno korthen. Kayur chobri a juramo Salva Kiir and would me. Euroshop kadi $1 million, $1 billion dollar dio jen yerren economic South Sudan cause melara jen ona de ka you tede me de ter kor South Sudan gerwe di na dana da ut ko da ja ter wujemi. Uganda Army spokesperson Flex Kulaji further confirmed the deployment in an interview with French news agency. Nana garame ramme jaram dan la roy ke Uganda Army la lere Ugandi de ni ken la kalat watch ke news agency manchale AFP saying the special force were deployed to protect South Sudanese government. Ano ajane ken special force kwaje deploy re which ka South Sudan ko became president gang la president South Sudan. Let me bring it here. Okay, nema Uganda Army spokesperson Flex Kulaji further confirmed the deployment in an interview with French news agency AFP, saying the special forces were deployed to protect South Sudanese government. So, MNDN quality deny on term right now. Okay, these are Uganda. Who can civilian South Sudan who can connect code or dunkir mayadit. But when contacted, South Sudan government spokesperson Michael Makwei said General Moozi is contradicting his earlier statement that South Sudanese are responsible for their own crisis. Honorable Makwei, who is the Minister of Information, said there are no Uganda force in Juba, saying that because of the IGAD summit, they are sending in force to Juba, but these forces are not there, Makwei said. Earlier, they had quoted Moses saying, these South Sudanese, we are not sending any forces there because they are the one responsible for their own crisis, though we will not be part of what is happening. Now they contradict themselves again and say that they are sending forces. Where are these forces? There has recently been growing concern that South Sudanese peace deal may collapse after violent clashes erupted in Nasser on March 4 between SSPDF and army youths who overran a military base and later killed a commander, several soldiers, and a UN staff. In Juba, some top Mayo minister and officers, including Petroleum Minister Potkang and Deputy Chief of Defense Forces Duablam, have been detained for allegedly being in conflict with the law. The opposition group has called for the release of its political and military detainees, who it say were arbitrarily arrested. IGAD ambassador, Western diplomat, and the presidents of Kenya and Somalia have recently voiced deep concern over the situation and called on the country leader to ease tension and engage in dialogue. Following the outbreak of violence in 2013, Uganda deployed its force to Juba to strengthen the SPLA, now UPDF, but were subsequently withdrawn amid concern from the international community. When fighting erupted in 2016, the Uganda government again deployed its troops to Juba, but that decision was reportedly taken to evacuate its national. Gwade dan kejen 2013 yedan. Men 2016 by the way they did the same thing. Lar kana wo ken nongen ne ken tire yu South Sudan but chijen. There were chaka kok kayo chaka mu kayo ko we can the contain land where we can ko negre which chaka South Sudan. These people are very easy to be bought, okay? You give them some dollar, they will do the work. Okay, again la down let kena. So again let down go den yakel michala da Michael Makweli whether chi talk la South Sudan government chicken kum Ugandan de you can cook. So let them not contradict what is happening. Okay. If they want can no mal rewika South Sudan. Michael Makweli temal gore rewika South Sudan tin kon lat ka gwad me chicken killing, okay? Chicken killing. So no kono de South Sudan in de kaliu. So na me again na chala temen ne dial we money can she talk reality. Mishi talk ngum yen kan espele mayo ko jamo. So they can ngay kem nan let ken. Anyway, janda na go de nyoy kel an bana je kel radian biatemal bye bye.